Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Campbell River local and long-distance movers near me. Is it time to find a cheap Campbell River moving company? 3 Movers offers the best local and long-distance moving services you will find in the area. We are not only affordable, but also very professional. When you need to relocate, our team will save you time and energy. We have helped all types of people complete both residential and commercial moves. You get all the best options when you choose to let us handle your long-distance move, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating is difficult and a lot of work. Whether you're going 100 miles, 500 miles, or more than 1,000 miles away, it's a big job. We can take the stress out of your relocation and make it so much easier for you. Hiring a Canada moving company for your local move is a wise choice. Without professional movers, you're stuck doing all the hard work. You'll have to do the heavy lifting, which can take a toll on you physically. 3 Movers will make it much easier to complete your local move. We know how to streamline the entire process to ensure that you get the best service possible. Our team will take a move that might cost you 5 days and get it done in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Campbell River moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.